Napakaraming tao ngayon ay nasa tanikala ng napakaraming problema. Kasi sweldo pa lang, ubus na. Credit card, max out. ATM card on phone, may ATM ka nga, nakasanla naman. Meron namang lifetime savings sa scam. Samot-saring napakadaming tanikala na problema. Gusto mo bang makalaya sa problemang yan? Alam mo kaibigan, isa sa natutunan ko is a seed is a tiny beginning with a huge future. Ito daw po ay maliit na panimula na may napakalaking kinabukasan. It is something that can become more. Yan ay isang buto, napakaliit pero pwedeng maging malaki. Alam mo ba, meron ka yan. Your love is a seed. Your time, your patience, your prayers, stopping slander, being thankful is a seed. Lahat yan ay meron ka. It is something that you possess that blesses somebody else. Alam mo ba, God has installed something in you, that seed in you, that can become a blessing to so many people. It is actually something that can unlock that freedom within you. Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng matinding kalayaan sa buhay? Magtanim ka. Magtanim ka ng isang bagay na hindi mo pagsisisihan. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, bigay na.